Hi, my name is Robert. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the AC compressor in a Volvo 850 car. Before you get started, you want to have the AC system evacuated down so that there's no pressure on the AC system and no refrigerant in it. You don't want to just discharge that stuff into the atmosphere. That's a pressure switch there. This is where the system is serviced and drained right here. Take the tension off of the serpentine belt, pin it, and remove the serpentine belt. For the sake of room, I recommend you removing the fan shroud, take the intercooler piping off, the radiator hose off, drain the coolant, then lift the fan shroud up and out of the way. Then remove the oil dipstick tube. When you remove the oil dipstick tube, take a rag or something, jam it in the oil pan hole, and that way that's out of your way. Then you'll have good access to these two, I think they're 6mm or T40 bolts. Next, you want to disconnect the top line that goes to the dryer, and the one under it goes to the condenser running over to the driver's side of the car. There's two seals under there. If you don't have those replacement seals, don't lose the ones that's going to come off when you remove these lines. Next, you have two 14mm bolts on this side. You got one right there and one down a little bit lower. 14mm, pull those all the way out. There's a bracket that they screw into that channels into the back side of the compressor. Next, you got two 14s on the front side of this compressor. You might be able to see them from in this wheel well area a little better. AC compressor. One there, one up there. I got this long 9-inch extension, a pivot, and the 14 to get these two AC compressor bolts out. You have it. The AC compressor is loose. Now, you may be able to slide it out the front now since your fan shroud's out of the way. I've seen some people take this subframe bolt out, loosen that subframe bolt, and loosen the one on the other side of the front so that they can squeeze that AC compressor out right here. Either way, should be good to go. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.